rider switch setup. We'll talk about that. So rider switch, you just come to that. There's multiple attractions here at Disney where rider switch is a thing. So like, let's say you've got 3 adults that want to ride, 1 kid who can't, or whoever who can't, doesn't even have to be a kid. Somebody that can't supervise himself. Well, you go talk to those people. One person is going to get to ride twice. So that's sweet. Wow, the train is loud. Anyways, so rider switch. So you walk up, so you got three people who are riding, a kid who can't or can't supervise himself and is not riding. So one person is going to stay behind with the non-rider. The other 2 are going to go sit in the queue like normal. Unless they have a lightning lane, then they do the lightning lane. And when they come back, one of those people, pre-selected, actually gets to go with the first person that wasn't a rider to start. So that person actually gets to ride it twice because they don't want the person to go through solo if they don't have to. Now obviously that's dependent upon having 3 or more people in your party. But if there's only 2 people in your party, obviously it's just going to be 1 and 1, unfortunately. But it's not, they don't just walk you on, you do get a lightning lane basically for it. So, you know, it's not going to be an hour queue or whatever the wait time is. It's just going to be the lightning lane, which can still be a little bit of time, but it's still much better than not having it. So